Hello everyone! We are on the broker Quotex trading platform. Today we're trading on a clean chart using support and resistance levels. The expiration time is 5 minutes and accordingly, the trade amount is $50. Let's probably get started right away. British pound, US dollar, a trade to go down. We have a local maximum. There is a high probability that the price won't break through. We have this resistance level right here and this one as well. Let's see what's happening with other assets. Perhaps there are additional entry points somewhere else. I personally don't trade on OTC assets, at least not with this trading strategy. There are other more reliable trading strategies for those assets. So dollar to Canadian dollar. Let's go ahead and zoom out the chart a bit, decrease and increase the time frame, and take a look at the bigger picture. Yes, it seems that we can open a trade to go up. And it seems like a very good entry point right here. You can clearly see that the price has reversed several times in this area, and now the price has approached this very same support zone with a strong impulse, which is why I opened a trade to go up from this level. The Canadian dollar to yen can't break through the support level, so I'll also open a trade to go up. You can see that the price previously hit this zone here. Then after breaking through, the price returned to this zone and started to slow down at this zone. There is a high probability that the price will go up. Euro to Canadian dollar, maybe it's worth opening a trade to go down. Let's do that. It's a somewhat risky trade, but I'll take the chance. We have a local maximum. If you look further or extend this zone more precisely, you can see that there might have been a false breakout here. That doesn't bother us at all. The price has hit the zone. Resistance. I've opened a trade to go down. Let's see how this turns out. Let's take a look at what's happening on the charts. Well, overall, nothing critical so far. The only thing is the USD CAD pair is pretty close to the entry point, and that's not very good. Currently, there is no clear movement in either direction. So most likely, we won't know the result until the end of this trade. For some reason, I have two trades open on the Canadian yen. Apparently, I clicked twice, but that's bad. It's doubly bad if both trades close at a loss. Yeah, really, there are two trades. You know what, I have to admit that is definitely my mistake. Well, everything else is more or less fine for now. The British pound versus the US dollar is currently closing in profit. The next trade we have, as I understand it, is the dollar Canadian. Here too, the price is doing quite well in profit. But the Canadian yen, of course, will most likely let me down, especially because there are two trades. And instead of losing $50, I'll lose $100. This will certainly reduce my profit, even if all the other trades close in profit. But next time, apparently, I'll be more careful. Yes, and the price keeps falling, and there's less and less time left. The second trade closes in profit. But here, yes, here we entered right at the very bottom. Yes, there are 40 seconds left. The price won't have time to return, unfortunately. And these two trades will close at a loss. Now we also have the Euro Canadian. It reached the entry point with a significant spike, and it is still unclear how it will close. At least the price was in profit all this time. Yes, one trade closed at a loss, and the second one accordingly also had no chance here at all. The price just dropped from the very beginning and never went back up. Right now, all I have to do is wait for the Euro-Canadian trade, and the outcome of this trade is going to determine whether I end up making a profit or not. A return won't suit me either, because two trades have already closed at a loss and two trades in profit. My main goal is that I absolutely need to close more trades in profit than I do at a loss. But wouldn't you know it, right after I said that, it immediately jumped up, and this trading session will now be considered unprofitable. It's unlikely it'll manage to come back now. There's almost no time left at all. Yeah, that's it. Everything is closing at a loss. In the last few seconds, the last 20 seconds, the price did come back, but it was really just by chance. If it had moved just a little bit more, it would have actually gone into profit. Yes, I lost a bit of money unfortunately because of my own mistake, because I opened two trades at once on the same asset and didn't even notice it. That is why there are sometimes some small losses. Well, it happens. Just be extra careful and try not to make simple mistakes like this again. I sincerely wish you successful trading. If you found this video interesting or informative, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and of course, please be sure to give it a like. See you soon. Bye everyone.